In today's video, we are going to cover how to create a service item in QuickBooks Online. Begin in QuickBooks Online and open the Sales menu from the left navigation. From there, select Products and Services. This area is where QuickBooks stores the items you use on sales forms, including services, inventory, and non-inventory items. Once the page opens, look for the New Product or Service button and click it. A menu will appear with item types. Choose Service to open the setup form for a new service item. The first field to complete is the Name field. Enter the name you want to use for this service item. This is the label that will appear when you add the item to invoices, sales receipts, and other transactions, so make sure the wording matches how you want it listed in your company file. Below that, you can add optional details if you want them included. Enter a SKU if your business uses internal item codes. You can also choose a category to keep related items grouped together. If needed, add a description. This description can help identify the service and may also appear when the item is used on a sales form, depending on your setup. Next, move to the Sales Information section. Enter the sales price or rate for the service. This is the amount QuickBooks will pull into transactions when the item is selected. Then choose the appropriate income account. Make sure this account is the one you want the service income posted to, since that selection affects your financial reporting. If the service is taxable, check the box labeled "is taxable." After that, choose the correct sales tax category. This part is important because it controls how tax is handled when the item is added to taxable sales transactions. If the service is not taxable, leave that setting unchecked and continue. You can also fill in the purchasing section if your business buys this service from a vendor. In that area, enter a purchase description if you want separate wording for vendor-facing transactions. Add the cost associated with purchasing the service, then select the correct expense account. This tells QuickBooks where to record the cost when the service is entered on expense or purchase transactions. If you do not purchase this service from a vendor, you can leave those fields blank. Before saving, review the information on the form. Check the item name, any optional details you entered, the sales rate, the income account, and the tax setting. If you filled in purchasing details, confirm the cost and expense account as well. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close if you are finished, or click Save and New if you want to create another service item right away. Your service item is now created in QuickBooks Online and ready to use on sales transactions.